So in this video we'll be talking about if-then statements, focusing on factual if-then statements. There are two types of if-then statements, some that are factual and others that are contrary to fact. The contrary to fact ones are the tricky ones that will use certain conjugations. The factual ones are based more on indicative, some of the standard verb conjugations. So let's take a look at the standard or factual ones, or indicative examples, if you will. So if an if-then statement is based on fact, then we simply use the indicative conjugations. So some examples include, number one, si yo tengo tiempo, yo voy al río para pescar. If I have time, then I go to the river to fish. Number two, you'll notice the optional information in parentheses, the word then, entonces. Number two, si ellos me dicen, yo lo hago. If they tell me, then I do it. Si Carmen estudia, sale bien en las clases. If Carmen studies, she does well in her classes. Number four, si yo tengo tiempo, yo voy a casa. If I have time, I go home. We could also switch this around and put the then statement first. For example, we could say, yo voy a casa si yo tengo tiempo. I go home if I have time. So we have options. We can put the if statement first or the then statement first. You'll notice if we choose to put the then statement first, the word then is not included. So number five, si la tele está apagado, me escuchan. If the TV is off, they listen to me. Again, we could rewrite that with the then portion of the statement coming first. Ellos me escuchan si la tele está apagado. They listen to me if the TV is off. And then the notice down at the bottom basically states what we just said. I'll read it just for grins and giggles. It says, notice the if-then portion of the statement can be written with the then portion of the statement coming first. When this is done, the word then cannot be used. When the if statement is first, then the word then is optional. In other words, you would not say, then they listen to me if the TV is off. The word then would be left off in that instance. Okay? So those are factual if-then statements, and that's it. We'll talk about contrary to fact if-then statements in the next video.